What is up, guys? Collar Story here. Wait, oh. Oof. None of my fans are here. Oof, that sucks. For some reason, whoever's in the, like, one of the admins set it to hardcore mode, which sucks, because everyone's in disguises. But, yeah, I think I might dip, maybe. I don't know yet, probably. Let me see. Let me spam real quick. Alright, be right back. What is up, guys? We're back. I'm with my friend. Oh. Think Baddie's not here. Oof. Wait, is the status not the same anymore? I'm confused. I am confused. Let's see what this guy got. Oh no. I mean, it still says she's on. Let me try joining again. Maybe she went to a different server. Huh. She ain't here. Let me join Arshia Pro. Arshia Pro is probably... If it says no, it's probably because he's in a trading server. Yep, he's in one of the trading servers somewhere. Alright. Who else just got on? DX Nemo. Oh, he's on. Let's join him and see how he's doing. The man that literally gave me my best item. Requested game assault. I'll wait for him. Alright, to calm down. By the way, guys, if you don't know who that is, he is the one and only man that gave me the chroma heat. He is the reason why I got chroma heat, and I'm very thankful for that splendid donation. Alright, here we go. Looks like we got it. There's DX Nemo here. Oh no, I hate this hack. Okay, no. I'm gonna have to do it from here. Okay. No, I'm stuck. It sucks. This has happened to me on mobile before. I get trapped in like the same game. Okay, here we go. There we go. Now it worked. Nice. Okay. I wonder what Chroma Gem is going for right now. Now it looks like a lot of my amigos are here. Nice. Chroma thing.
Made by Afro.
And so here's Chroma. Very nice. Prank ties Chroma on this bruh. Ooh. I know. I'm just saying, no, my mom, baby. Destroy. Hope you guys enjoyed the vibe.